Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to practice this program. So let's firstly read this program. Write a basic program that asks the user for their age and prints right to vote if the age is 18 or above. Otherwise prints no right to vote. So let's practice this program in PC Basic. Basic and start typing the program. Before that, type CLS and clear screen, and then start typing. Open caps lock key, switch on caps lock key. Now start writing 10, input, space bar, enter the age. You can write this statement in small letter also, it's up to you. Then age, enter key, 20, if space bar, age greater than equals to 18 space bar, then print. After every command you need to give space very properly, so double inverted commas, right right to vote, and then double inverted comma close, space bar, else. Now we are giving condition, print. If not age 18, then print double quotes, inverted commas, no right, RIGST, right to vote, then double inverted comma, close, and then at last enter 30, end. Then enter key RUN, run the program. Now it is asking for the age, enter the age. So firstly we will enter the value less than 18 and then see what will be the answer. Less than 18, suppose 17, so it is showing the answer no rights to vote, so we are getting correct output. Now again run the program, run, enter the age. Now we will enter the value 23. It is saying right to vote, so output is correct, program is correct. If you have any doubt in any statement or any condition or command, you can ask your queries in the comment section. Drop your queries in the comment section. Hope you understand very well. Thanks for watching the video.